Hello everyone, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. So today's video is technically supposed to be the fourth of the whole Reptile Expo experience. However, I'm kind of looking at it and I realize it should have really just kind of ended at number 3, as this is not necessarily much to do with the Expo. I am utilizing some things that I got from the Expo, but it really isn't really Expo focused. So I'm sorry if you were disappointed and expecting more Expo something, because it's really not. And I would not be upset if you decide to not even watch this video now. But that being said, today's video is going to be a rehousing video, more of a voiceover, as I utilize some of the things I did get. I will be rehousing my Pink Toe Tarantula Yzma, who was long overdue for an enclosure upgrade, and I had ended up finding this nice container that used to have cheese puffs or something in it, and I thought it would make a really nice enclosure really nice enclosure upgrade for Yzma. So I ended up getting the label off and poking some holes into the top so we can have some nice ventilation, and I'm going to be using this as part of the rehousing, and to go inside of it I will be utilizing the things I got from the Expo, which included the 2 pieces of cork bark as well as the Lugardi premium tarantula substrate, and so like I said, this video is mostly going to be a voiceover, as I kind of talk over and talk about what I'm doing and just make some snide whatever comments as the video plays of me putting together the enclosure. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, hit that like button. If you are new to subscribing to this channel and you like what you see, watch some of my other content, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you get notified on future content. That being said, let's get started with the reptile enclosure setup and rehousing. So as you can see, I did not end up doing a voiceover for that particular part of the video, as it turned out to just be really boring and I didn't have much to say, so I just decided to put music over it. But yes, this next part is going to be just the actual footage itself, as I actually go from actually setting up the enclosure to rehousing the tarantula, and so I'm just going to let that part play. Again, if you are liking what you see, watch some of my other content, subscribe, hit the like. Anyway, let's get to the last part of this video and then wrap it all up. And now it's just this really scary period of actually moving the tarantula from here into here, and I don't think I'm quite ready for that yet. Alright, so it's just a matter, I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure how to get her out. I know she's going to try to go down, which is not what I want her to do. I'm not sure how to coax her to make sure she comes back up. Stay up. Can I get you to come out this way? Can I get you to come up this way? Turn around. There we go. Turn around. Turn around. No. Go this way. Up. Up, 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 up. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
She is a lot slower than I was anticipating.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. I just want you to go forward. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Go forward. Go forward. There we go. There we go. Keep it going. Keep going.
You're gonna like it, I promise.
Keep going. Keep going. Come on, you're close. You're like, I don't want to. I don't want to do it. Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Down. Down. There we go. Down. There we go. Keep going. It's all you, B. Keep going. There.
No, look at me.
Alright, you're just about in there with your last foot. There you go. There it is. So there you have it, you guys. It wasn't too bad. It was not very hard to actually get Yzma to transfer over. I thought it was going to be a little bit more complicated than it was, but I always think that because I'm just kind of nervous when it comes to tarantulas and spiders in general. I'm working on it, and so I definitely had a great time getting that done. It's the second time I was actually rehoused one of my tarantulas, so I'm glad that it went smoothly. And yes, it has been a really fun weekend, and I am glad that it is come and gone, and I look forward to the next Reptile Expo that I get to bring you guys, and maybe even getting an animal next time, but who knows. Anyway, so that's all, you guys. Take care, love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.